Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about B letter words. Let's start. B sounds B. B is for bus. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for balloon. B is for bread. B is for butterfly. B is for bell. B is for brick. B is for bicycle. B is for brinjal. B is for bottle. B is for boy. B is for bucket. B is for bow. B is for blue. B is for bank. B is for buffalo. B is for beetroot. B is for button. B is for bird. B is for baby. B is for bunny. B is for beer. B is for bubbles. B is for beach. B is for banana. B is for black. B is for bat. B is for bench. B is for basket. B is for beetle. B is for bud. B is for brown. B is for broccoli. B is for boots.